Have you ever imagined owning your own aircraft like this F-18E Super Hornet from the Top Gun movie starring Tom Cruise? I know you're excited to see how we made this aircraft. So before that, let me welcome you back to Modelworks Direct. So I'm Rod, and here in Modelworks, we replicate any various aircraft, cars, ship into a scale model. So if you would like one, you can hit us a message. Without further ado, let's start with this scale model. This is the finished product of Boeing FA-18E Super Hornet. As you can see, this is a clear canopy model where the windows are see-through. And the interior details from the aircraft can be seen from the outside. The instrument panel, knobs, buttons, switches, as well as the seat and the pilot itself. Let me show you some clips from our process video. Here we are trying if the interior parts of the aircraft will fit inside the canopy. Then in this clip, we are removing the masking tape to reveal the interior details, as well as to check if there's some problems inside. However, you can notice that the pilot is not yet included at this moment because we decided that it is not the FA-18E from the Top Gun movie without the leading actor. So this pilot represents Tom Cruise. This was made from resin and hand painted to get the details properly. Then latched inside the canopy and added the life support system hose. Moving on to the markings, these are the decals of the Maverick aircraft, the name of the pilot, the logo of the training school, as well as the Navy, the danger sign marking, and the US Air Force. Let me also share some clips from our painting process. As you can see, the aircraft has masking tapes on the bottom part because we are applying a darker shade of gray, which is common to F-18 aircrafts. Afterwards, we mask the area that the next color won't be applied on. This time, the color we are applying is light blue, the same hue from the original aircraft. Now that this color is dried, we can now move on to the black color. But we need to cover the light blue area first, then spray the black paint to the aircraft. If you want to watch the whole process video, we will upload it soon, so stay tuned. But before that, let me show you this drop tank that is also included with the aircraft model, which has the Top Gun Maverick markings as well. Now, I will show you the big box that we made for this aircraft. As you can see, it has a foam at the top for extra cushion. And here's the base, which is made from stainless steel, as well as the pole that will connect the base to the aircraft. You can notice that we just cut out the shapes on the styrofoam and added extra foam for protecting the model. And that is the packaging for this large aircraft model. That's the story behind this Boeing FA-18E from the Top Gun movie starring Tom Cruise. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you are subscribed to our channel for you to get notified for our upcoming videos. And I'm Rod here at Modelworks. If you can think it, we can build it.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast, but you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.